Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add workplace on your Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. We just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's jump right in. Open up the Facebook app, go to the menu icon, and here you can see settings. Scroll down and here you can see profile details. Now all you have to do is you can simply check right here. The first option is add work experience, add workplace. Now let me search. For example, I can search self-employed, and here I go, self-employed. Now I can just simply select the job title, like for example I can say branch manager. Now I can locate my workplace also, search for the locations, type your city. For example, I will type Turkham. Now describe your work here. You can describe your work in different words, and simply here you can put the date of your work. After doing all of that process, just simply tap right here on the save and you will be able to add the workplace on your Facebook account. So that was super easy, and hope you guys like my video.